Hey, what's up, Winklink holder? This is live price prediction of Winklink coin, my brother, and definitely, unfortunately, very badly falls down in those days. Last 3 days, my friends, especially minus 6.25%. The Winklink were falls down. So I will research personally about Winklink coin, my brothers. To what's the reason? What's the behind this, my friends? They were falls down. So I found, my friend, two main reason about Winklink coin to why they were falls down. And definitely what experts says, my friend, I especially, my friends, checked with my friend, my experts brothers, and definitely he will also, my friend, give me advice. So therefore everything I will advise you. Remember, it's not a financial video, but kindly, if you are new my channel, if you want to earn money in crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, Winklink were completely, the price is increasing, and my friend, last days, but definitely they were fails down in those days. You know, everybody know this, my friends, to at the end of month every coin will moving upward, but I can't expect from Winklink to they were fails down like that. But definitely this is reality, to the coin were fails down, and minus 6.25% the price were fails down. So therefore I am very, my friend, worried to see this. But don't worry, my friends, you will never need to, you will be worried now, because I am with you, my brother. So you know, when a coin were fails down, so this is the first reason is that, my brothers, especially short-term investors starting selling. So I will notify you to don't starting selling, my friends, if you are short-term investor in those days. Definitely last 10 days of every month every coin will move upward, so you will need to hold, and absolutely if you sell at the end of month, so they will give you a very good profit. And the second reason is that to after a huge jump every coin will dumps down, so therefore don't worry, after a dump every coin will moving upward. So therefore after a dump absolutely they will take a very huge jump now, so you will need, my friends, to hold for a long time. Absolutely Winklink is one of the fastest cryptocurrency and very good for a short-term investor. So thanks for watching a Winklink coin holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more step informative and urgent update videos.